Hey, this Ray is Ray. I'm thinking about the moon when I think about me and you. Jupiter, Neptune, and Pluto. The space is all around. Hey,
I'm thinking about the world when I think about me and you. Thinking about the moon when I think about, I'm thinking right now. Thinking about Neptune and Pluto. Lots of gravitating. When I'm thinking, yeah, this is Ray, and I'm thinking about the moon. When I think about me and you, Jupiter, Neptune, Pluto. So,
hey, this Ray is Ray. This Ray is Ray.
about the songs that I do, all the categorize about
Hey, this Ray is Ray.
the lions that be in the wild. Even though I'm talking about space, I'm talking about the land too. Neptune, I tune in to all the instruments that be tuned. You know, alright, the space, every space. Thinking about the moon when I think about me and you.
Think about the moon when I think about me and you. Jupiter, Neptune, Pluto. More tune of me talking about the moon. Alright, look. Heavy thinking on my mind. I'll be lifting heavy. I'll be lifting everybody up, cause we the lifters. We be the lifting. So there we go. Passing every place that we could go on them journeys still till this day. And back in them days, you know, back in the days, we all was doing all type of adventurous. Oh, what a joy it is to be joyous. My name is Ray, you know I like to rhyme. I'll be doing them rhyming, freestylings, just a beat that I'll be making, beatboxing up. You know, like I said, we up like Jupiter, Mars, and Pluto. I'll be thinking about me and you when I think about the moon. Thinking about the moon when I think about me and you, Pluto, Jupiter, hey, and Mars. It's more and more of the beat that I made. You know, it dropped, and then I gotta drop another single and another album too. Oh, dang. Oh, I'll be jumping, funny rapping, jack of all trades. I'll be trading lots of my soundings in for the next hand. I'll be dealing with my hands, you know, this hand and that hand, back again, left and right, man. Hey, I'm your friend, and you my friend. We be talking about everything in the world as it is, as it stands. You know, the stand, man. I'll be doing handstands. I'll be standing in the weathers like the raining. I'll be raining thunder in my music. You know that I'll be doing all the beats that I'll be making. So this is the beat maker, the freestyler, the singer and rapper. I just did a lot of rapping, but you know I'll be doing a lot of singing too. So
I'll be thinking about the moon when I think about me and you.
I'll be thinking about the moon when I think about me and you, Jupiter, Mars, and Pluto. I'll be thinking about the moon, cause it's the nighttime. I'm a knight and I rhyme.
I'll be thinking about the moon when I think about me and you, cause it'd be a nice light view in the night. We can be nights, we can be days, but we be having all type of light that lighten up the gravities of the grabbings of the gravitatings when I see the moon. The space, you know, the spacings, you know, I sing, I rap, and I'm speaking about the moon, Jupiter, Pluto, Neptune, and I think about me and you. This is Ray.